Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 6, and hopefully the last one on this subject. I kind of figured out if you watch the other ones, thank you, and if you haven't, you don't really need to. We're trying to put names into the center. Let's say this is a pin jig cutout. It's not really, but you can see what it looks like. And then if you haven't watched the other videos, this indexing line is right in the center. So when you have a word like or a name like Bill Smith, the line is on the middle, the text is right in the middle, and that's done with the letters E and C on your keyboard. But if you had to do a name like this with a lowercase part of the letter that hangs down below the area, when you put it in the center, well, it actually does work that way, because I've made another box that is at the top of my indexing line and past my other indexing line. So this line is in the center. So like in the other videos, you have your name selected, hold down your shift key and select your other box and hit the letters C, T as for top. And it's going to put it at the top of this. So now your lowercase is actually made it more in the center. Now I've made this line a more than a hairline so you could see it in the video. So you definitely would not want that. You would want it a hairline so it would not engrave. But I just made it thicker for the video. So let's do that one more time. This is when, once you've figured out what size your text is, like this was 0.3, where this text is 0.25, because this is 0.3 because it's lowercase. So you have your name selected, hold down your shift key and select your other box, and it doesn't matter what order you do it this. So this time we'll do the letter T and C, and now it's centered it inside your engraving area and more to the center. Hope that getting by. Even though this box doesn't look like it's in the center, because between these two indexing lines is the center of the box, and this is hanging below it. But if you use the letter T, it puts it to the top of the box, and then when you put the letter C, it puts it in the center between the box. Anyway, hope that wasn't too confusing, and thank you for watching.